guys, Midweek TV here. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is how to create a disk partition and drive D since we already have drive C. So we have several ways. For me, ang pinaka-easiest way is go to start, tap mo start, then type mo is computer management. Yan, this one. Pagka-click mo, we just wait for the application to load. Since I'm not using a screen recorder, we're going to do it on the actual hardware na. So yan, from here pupunta tayo sa disk management. Yan, usually ang ginagawa for proper unification ng mga labels, I'll go to properties, then lalagyan ko siya system. Bakit nilalagyan ko ng ganito? For easier identification kung sino si drive C at sino si drive D. Next is going to right click simple volume, click next. Yung driver assignment niya is drive D. And then same here, I type data, byte dots, data pala. Yan. So usually I do quick format na lang since I already deleted the partition already. So click next, then finish. Pansinin nyo, may drive C, and pinormat niya